In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change unsubscribe email in Constant Contact. To get started, sign into your Constant Contact dashboard. Once you are logged in, take a moment to make sure you are on the main account screen. This will help you navigate the settings more easily and avoid changing the wrong option. Next, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You will see your user profile name or your organization name there. Click on that area to open the drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to several account-level options, including the settings you need for this change. From the drop-down, select Setting. This will take you into the part of Constant Contact where your account details and preferences are managed. If the page takes a second to load, just wait until all the options appear clearly before continuing. Once you are in the Settings area, look for the Account Email section. This is the section that controls the email address associated with certain account communications, including unsubscribe management. It is important to be in the correct section here because Constant Contact may have multiple email-related options in different parts of the account. When you find the Account Email section, click Add Email Address. This allows you to update the email that will be used going forward. If an old address is already listed, remove that old address first. Then type in your new preferred unsubscribe management email address carefully. Make sure it is entered correctly, because even a small typo can cause you to miss important unsubscribe-related messages or notifications. After entering the new address, review it one more time to confirm everything looks right. This is a simple step, but it can save you time later and help prevent account communication issues. Once you are ready, click Save. That will apply the update and store your new unsubscribe email in the account settings. After saving, it is a good idea to stay on the page for a moment and confirm that the new address appears correctly in the account email section. If it does, then the change has been completed successfully. This process is quick, but being careful with each click helps make sure the update is done properly. That way, your unsubscribe management email stays current and connected to the address you actually want to use. That covers everything you need to know.